Hiring a new HVAC employee is just the start. You gotta help them actually grow and stick around in the company, you know? So, first off, make sure you're setting clear goals that are realistic but still push them a bit. Give them regular feedback but keep it chill and constructive, not like a pop quiz every week. Encourage them to jump into training sessions or even online courses to build their skills. No pressure, just opportunities. Check in often and ask how they're feeling about the work and if anything's tripping them up. Pairing them with a more experienced tech for on-the-job tips can make a huge difference. Celebrate small wins to keep their motivation up. Everyone likes feeling noticed. Also, create space for them to ask questions without feeling dumb. That's how they'll learn fastest. Finally, be patient, but watch for patterns. Some people just need more time or a different approach. One of the biggest mistakes with new HVAC hires is ignoring missed goals. If they keep falling short, don't just hope it fixes itself. Fix this by setting up a clear improvement plan with checkpoints. Another common issue is avoiding training opportunities. If they're dodging classes or workshops, find out why and suggest more engaging formats or times. Lastly, lack of enthusiasm can kill growth. If the new tech seems checked out, try mixing up their tasks or giving them responsibility to boost ownership. These fixes keep progress steady and stop those stuck feelings from building. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local HVAC contractors who actually know their stuff. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people right in their area who need help.